Good afternoon, year two. I'm just doing this very short video to introduce you to the extension task for science. You don't have to do it. It's there if you want to, though, and I think lots of you will enjoy it, especially at the moment with everything that's going on with coronavirus. I think it'll be very important to see. So we're going to ask the question, how important is washing our hands? I'm going to do that by looking at what happens when we put things in our mouth that our hands have touched. For example, this case, we're going to look at bread. So we're going to do an investigation. To take part, you'll need the following things, so you can make sure you've got these. You'll need 4 slices of bread or 4 pieces of bread, a sandwich bag or other clear sealable container, so like a Tupperware tub, anything you can seal but you can see in it because you won't want to get it out afterwards. Soap and water, hand sanitizer, and some mud or something else that's dirty. Okay, so you can pause this video, grab all these things if you need them. If not, you can write them down, and next time you go shopping, you can pick them up if you want to do it. You don't have to do it today if you don't want to. So we're going to touch 4 different slices of bread after washing our hands in different ways. Before each, we're going to rub our hands in mud so they're nice and dirty. Okay, so the first one you're going to do is soap and water. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your hands, rub them in mud so there's mud all over your hands, between your fingers, on the back, on the palms. Then you're going to wash your hands as you normally would, singing happy birthday twice with soap and water until you can't see any mud on your hands. So you're going to wash until you can't see the mud. Okay, then you're going to pick up a slice of bread and rub your hands all over it. So all over the front, all over the back, all over the sides of the bread. Then you're going to take the piece of bread, put it in a bag and seal the bag. Then on the bag, you're going to write a label, soap. Okay, so that's your first one. Second one, you're going to use hand sanitizer. So you're going to rub your hands in mud again, so you've got mud all over them. Wash your hands with hand sanitizer. So squirt some hand sanitizer on, wipe your hands down until there's no mud left. Then you're going to pick up a slice of bread again and rub your hands all over it. Then you're going to put that piece of bread into a different bag, seal it, and label with the phrase hand sanitizer or hand gel, whichever you find easiest to write. Then you're going to go for another one. You're going to rub your hands in mud, get them all muddy again. This time you're going to wash your hands with just water, no soap, no hand sanitizer, until you can't see any mud, okay, until all the mud's come off. Then you're going to pick up your third slice of bread, rub your hands all over it, pop it in your next plastic bag and label with the word water. And finally, you're going to rub your hands in mud one last time. Don't wash your hands at all. Okay, so you're not going to use water, soap, hand sanitizer, but you can rub them together to get rid of that extra crumbs of mud. Okay, you don't want to see lots of mud on your hands. So any bits that'll come off, you can rub off. Then pick up your bread, rub your hands all over it again, and put it in the 4th bag. Seal it up and label not washed. And then what you're going to do with those 4 bags, leave them somewhere where you can keep an eye on them, keep them all in the same place so that we know it's fair. And we're going to leave them for a week. Okay, leave them for 7 days, and then you're going to see what's happened. You can write that up, you could draw pictures of it. There's an investigation booklet on the science folder in the Google Drive, so if you want to download that and print it out or type it up, you can do that, but you don't have to. Okay, I'm looking forward to finding out what happens. Good luck, year two.